So hello to all my dear students. Welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. So now my dear students, NBE has officially announced the date for NEET MDS 2023. So good chance for all of you to restart or even to increase the pace of your preparation. Fine. So we can see, and first of all, before I'm talking about the notice, remember you have to follow the authenticate website, that is nbe.edu.in or netbot.edu. Don't focus or don't just rely on the blogs. Try to follow the authenticate website. Fine. So remember, the form submission is going to start from 9th of January, today 7 p.m. to around 30th January. So remember aspirants, don't just go on filling the form today only. Give it 1 to 2 days, and then from around 11 you can start the form filling, because first of all, plan properly, have all the documents, everything, and then go for the form filling. And when you go for form filling, please have all the documents properly. When you are going to pay for the exam, have the receipt and every proper thing with yourself. Already we have uploaded one video. You can click on the I button above that, how to fill the NEET MDS form. Fine. So remember, the form is available from 9th to 30 January. Try to fill it before 25th January. Don't just keep at the end, okay, I'm going to fill on the 28th, 29th. Don't do this mistake, because sometimes, you know, some problem happen in your address or in your mobile number, OTP, some other thing, or if at all by mistake you have entered wrong thing. This happens with many students. So at least if you have the time, you can mail to NB and they can help you. But don't keep at the end and don't fill today only. Give a gap of 1 to 2 days, have all the documents, and start filling from the 11 between 25. Fine aspirant, remember the date of examination is 1st March 2023. So you can see hardly we have around 50 days for the examination. A good time you can go for your proper preparation. And the result is going to declare on 31st March 2023. So this is very good news and good schedule, you know, aspirants, because the curriculum, if at all you got admission in the MDS, it is going to start from the month of May, June. So your time and, you know, the period will not get wasted. Fine aspirant. So this is the thing. Again, I'm telling, we have made a form, how to fill the NEET MDS form 2023. The video is there. The link is there in description box also, and as well as on the I button above. And if anybody want to join our rapid revision course, we have a test series where all the latest papers and practice papers are available, and we have the test and lecture series also. In my lectures aspirant, all the lectures will be available at together. Our lectures are not like of the 1 hour, 2 hour. We have prepared a micro lectures or topic wise lectures. So that will help you in going for the quick preparation. Fine aspirants, if anybody want to join, interested, or any help they want, just they can DM me. And all the best. Remember, this is the nice opportunity, nice time for all the students who want to be aspired to get MDS, and those who want the governments. Remember, always keep an aim. Just you don't want to just go for the NEET MDS. You want to clear with good rank. You have to be in the top 1000. So you are going to get the good government college or in the top private colleges. If you be in the top 200, you are going to get the good government college. If at all you be in the around 1000 range, the chances of the good private colleges will be there. And always remember, to do MDS is not important, but to do from the good college and to learn good things, it is of very fair importance. Fine aspirants, so any doubt, anybody have my WhatsApp number, my phone number, my email ID, website, everything is there in description box. You can contact me anytime, but please don't do any blunder while filling the form. Keep calm and fill the form. Take your God name, keep calm, and just go for it. Till then aspirant, take care. We'll keep you updating with all the information announced by the NB and NetBot.